Hey everyone, and welcome back to Impossibly Kosher. Today we're going to be making a beef stir-fry recipe that's beyond incredible. This video is sponsored by the Kosher King and koshermeatstoyou.com. Check out their links in the description below. Alright everyone, let's get started by getting your stir-fry beef into a Ziploc bag. Take out that absorbent pad. Now let's get a bottle of delicious red wine to give it a little taste. Good stuff. That will do perfectly. Add a generous amount into the bag. Wine marinated meat always comes out so much better. Now close the Ziploc really well and shake, 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 shake. Then in the fridge it goes to marinate for 24 hours. And once it's time to take it out, prepare paper towels and a plate because we're going to be wanting to dry each individual piece of meat. Don't rush through this. It's important that they dry really well because if not, when you're frying it, they're going to let liquids out, which will stop them from sauteing like we want. There we go. Nice and dry. Get a pan on high heat and add a good amount of oil. When nice and hot, start adding a few slices at a time. You don't want to overcrowd the pan. Plop, plop, plop. Love that sizzling sound. Just, you know it's going to be delicious. All right, now give it a little shake. After about 30 seconds, start mixing. The goal here is a quick sear. After a minute or two, get them into a bowl. Then add that juice into another bowl. Start round 2. This time we're going to add some garlic. Crush them. Lots of them. Okay, relax, Ben. And stir. Stir, stir, stir. Mix, mix, mix. Toss them like a pro chef would. And then hit subscribe and ring the bell below. Keep up with everything we got going on. Another toss. Mix. Shake. And when there's a good color, add them to the first batch. Then take the bowl of beef and, hey, one always tries to escape. Try that again. Pour the juices that are in the meat bowl into the liquids bowl. Now we're going to be making the sauce. Add 2 big tablespoons of mayo into the liquids bowl and 1 nice tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Mix it enough to have it well incorporated. Then add it back to the hot pan, turn the heat off, and mix it quickly. Don't overcook it. Mix it just to get it homogeneous. Then pour it back onto the beef. You don't want to waste this. This is liquid gold. Now mix. Okay, let's mix properly. That's much better. Now what you'll be left with is a delicious, fragrant, and flavor-packed stir-fry, ready to eat as is or on a bed of rice. As always, right here on Impossibly Kosher. How awesome was that video? Don't forget to click the subscribe button down below, give us a thumbs up and ring that bell to get notified of future videos just released. And don't forget to check out the Kosher King and koshermeatstoyou.com who are the proud sponsors of this video.